Hello, my name is Parthopratim Biswas and I am currently a third year student pursuing a degree in computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University. Throughout my academic journey, I have developed a interest in web development, which has a major focus of my studies and personal projects. My academic background has provided me with a strong foundation in programming, algorithms, and software development. Beyond academics, I have participated in programming contests such as Fall 2022 and Unlock the Algorithm, where I had a opportunity to test my problem solving skills and collaborate with peers under cooperated scenarios. This expensive taught me to think opportunity, work under pressure, and continuously improve my skills. Web development has always been a field that excites me. Over the years, I have worked on several projects that have helped me as a developer. From building responsibility innovative websites using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to exploring backdated technologies. One of my key strengths is my ability to adapt the learn quickly. I enjoy exploring the latest tools and frameworks, which allows me to stay updated with industry trends. To further encourage my skills, I have completed two professional courses from GoEdu, where I gained to imparted our depth knowledge about web technologies and project management. These courses have helped me bring the gap between theoretical learning and practical application.
Here you can see my certificates.
Thank you for taking the time to learn about me. I have explained about my opportunity ahead, and I am confident with my skill and my determination will allow me to make meaningful contribution to any team. Thank you.